Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up auto-detect workouts. The tutorial is very straightforward, and if this is a feature that you like in a smartwatch, I will show you step by step. But before we start, here are a few things that you need to know before we start. So here is the important things you need to know about the tutorial. You can pause the video now to read this, or you can check in the description, and you will find the timestamps to skip to the important parts of the video. Otherwise, let's move on to what you need to know about the auto-detect feature. So what do you need to know about this feature? Well, by default the auto-detect feature is turned off, so you will need to activate it. The auto-detect workout feature cannot be set up on your phone and can only be set up on your watch only. The feature also needs time to detect the motion. The device requires the continuous movement, so the sensor can track the motion and authenticate the workout type. It normally takes 10 minutes to activate automatically, and the device will vibrate to let you know auto detection has been activated. And lastly, the Huawei GT3 Pro can only auto-detect 4 different workout modes, which is outdoor walk, running, rowing machine and cross-trainer. So that's all of the stuff you need to know about the auto-detect workout feature, so let's start the tutorial. Step 1. Scroll watch face downward to view more settings and options. Step 2. Select the settings option. Step 3. Scroll down and select the workout settings. Step 4. Scroll down and select the Auto Detect Workouts option. Step 5. Shift the toggle bar to the right to activate Auto Detect feature. The toggle bar will turn blue when it's been activated successfully. And there you have it, the tutorial is now complete, and the Auto Detect Workout feature is now activated. For more information about the Huawei GT3 Pro, you can go to my website www.smartwatchicon.com. I will also leave a link in the description. Lastly, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to channel for more future videos.